Let us start first. Let me clarify the doubt of Gati. She asked me give the example of quadratic equation. For example, I have given x square minus 3x. No, she just now Gati has asked me give the example of quadratic equation where sum of two numbers should be this, multiplication of these two numbers should be this. Let us let us take this one, x square minus 3x plus 28. So find two numbers whose sum is minus 3 and multiplication is minus 28. Multiplication is minus 28. So what are two numbers whose sum is minus 3, multiplication is minus 28? You can take minus 7 and 4. When you will add, you will get minus 3. When you will add, you will get minus 3. When you multiply, you will get minus 28. Is it clear? So this we write as x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28. Then further we simplify. Yes. Yes. No problem. Even if 2x square is there, let us take the same example. Let us take the same example. Let us take the same example. For example, if it is 2x square minus 3x minus 14. Now find two numbers whose sum is minus 3 and multiplication is 2 into 14. Are you getting? When it is 2x square, minus 28. No, if it is 5 into 14, but minus 14. So again numbers are minus 7 and 4. Again numbers are minus 7 and 4. Are you getting? Yes. Now which problem? Tell me. 7th problem. That 20 question. Any doubt is there? 7th one. What was that problem? Tell me 7th one. 7th one. What was that problem? That you tell me. No, 7th one. One minus root. Find x square. Find x plus 1 upon x. Okay. X minus 1 upon x. Okay, ठीक है. X is 1 minus x is 1 upon x, 1 upon 1 minus root 2. Then rationalize the denominator, multiply and divide by 1 plus root 2. 1 plus root 2 upon 1 plus root 2. This we have done. 1 upon x is 1 plus root 2 upon 1 minus 2. That is 1 plus root 2 upon minus 1. Minus sign I can take up. That will be minus 1 minus root 2 is 1 by x. Then further part you can do. See, yes. If it is, you see, suppose 1 upon x is given 5 minus 3 root 2. Then what will be x? X will be, take reciprocal. X will be 1 upon 5 minus 3 root 2. Yes. Basically we have to take reciprocal for x. So reciprocal on both the sides. Are you getting? 10th one. Suggest what is 10th one? Tell me the problem. 10th one. If a is not a minus 8. Find okay, let me do it. A minus 1 upon a is 8. It is given. Now we find a plus 1 upon a. Yes. No, see, I will use this formula. Which formula I will use? See here. This formula I will use. X minus y square, x plus y square, minus x minus y square is equal to 4. Yes. Instead of x and y, I can take a and 1 upon a. So I will use this formula. Directly formula is there. Yes. That only. So now I will use this formula. We use the formula a plus 1 upon a square minus a minus 1 upon a square is equal to 4. This formula we use. A plus 1 upon a square, because when you will simplify, you will get a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. And when you simplify, a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square. A square and 1 upon a square. So now I will write a plus 1 upon a is 8. 8 square. 8 square minus a minus 1 upon a square is equal to 4. So 64. Yes. ठीक है. So this will take a plus 1 upon a square. A plus 1 upon a square minus 8 square. Minus 8 square. So you will get a plus 1 upon a square. A plus 1 upon a square minus 64 is 4. So you will get a plus 1 upon a square is 4 plus 64. 68. That will see. So you will get a plus 1 upon a square. You will get a plus 1 upon a square. A plus 1 upon a square is equal to 64 plus 4, 68. So which I can write, a plus 1 upon a square, I can write root of 68. Root of 68 I can write 4 into 17. So 4 I can take outside. Yes, a plus 1 upon a square. A plus 1 upon a square is equal to plus minus 2 root 70. When I will take square root, it will be plus minus 2 root 17. When we will take square root, this square will not be there. So a plus 1 upon a is plus minus 2 root 17. Now it is asked, what is a square minus c? A plus 1 a square minus 1 upon a square is same as a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Are you getting? So a plus 1 upon a into a minus 1 upon a. Now we know the value of a plus 1 upon a plus minus 2 root 17 into a minus 1 upon a is 8. So 8 to just 16 plus minus 16 root 17 is the answer. Yes. Now which problem? 13th one. Chalo. Now let me take one problem of other student also. 14. Then we'll see 13. 14 किसका है बोलो? Tell me the question. 14. 14. Yes. Now so we write, let x and y be two numbers. Let x and y be two numbers. You can take a and b also. Let a and b be two numbers. No problem. You can take x and y, a and b. Let a and b be two numbers, positive numbers. Be two positive numbers. Their difference is given 5. Correct? A minus b is given 5. And sum of their square means a square plus b square is given 73. No. Find the product of these two numbers. So find a dot b. No. A square plus b square is not same as a plus b whole square. Sum of their square. So first you square each number and then you add them. Plus means sum. Sum of their square is 73. Find the product a dot b. So now we consider a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a minus b value is given 5 square is equal to a square plus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 5 square is 25. A square plus b square is given 73 minus 2ab. I will take 2ab on that side. 2ab is equal to, no, not minus, 73 minus 25. 25 we take it on this side, 2ab on the other side. So 2ab is equal to 73 minus 24, 13 minus 5, 8, 6 minus 2, 4. So ab is equal to 48 upon 2. So ab is 24. So product of the number is 24. Yes? So see here, there is no condition given in that. Because see, even if you take, see here, even if you take b minus a is 5, no problem. Because b minus a whole square is same as a minus b whole square. Are you getting? Even if you take b minus a as 5, no problem. Because a minus b whole square is same as b minus a whole square. Is it clear? This point you remember, that even if you take b minus a as 5, no problem. Because b minus a whole square is same as a minus b whole square. Yes, now which problem? 13th one. What is that? Same only, no? Yes, same. No, same. Tell me what is that number? See here. M is 2 more than the number n. So m will be n plus 2. The number m is means equal. The number m is means equal. 2 more means plus 2. Then the number n. So you will get m minus n is 2. Then sum of their square is given, no? Sum of their square, m square plus n square is how much? 34. Now this has been converted to this problem. Instead of a minus b, it is given m minus n. The number m is, always you remember, is means equal. The number m is means equal to 2 more than the number n. So n plus 2. Yes. Now which problem? Yes, Jil Mehta. Any doubt is there? Jil Mehta. Or from A division, any student? Suresh Parmar. Okay. Tell me factorize which problem? M minus n minus m square plus n square, correct? Now what we do? We write this m minus n minus this, we write m square minus n square. We take minus common in these two. We do the grouping. Just factorization. Last one. M minus n minus we take common m square minus n square. So this become m minus n minus again a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, m minus n. Yes, because these two I am taking, no, I am not taking common, I am taking these two together. Minus sign I am taking common and then I am writing these two together. So when you take minus sign common, inside bracket sign will change, plus become minus. Now a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Now what is common in these two? M minus n. M minus n is common. So when you will take m minus n common, then what is left in place of this? In place of this it is 1. Then minus m plus n. 1 minus 1 minus m plus n. There is no request. Yes, so this is m minus n into 1 minus m minus n. Open the bracket. Minus m minus n. This is the answer. Now, my dear, this is minus is there, no? When you take m minus n common, then minus sign will be there with this. No, minus sign will be there with this term. Minus bracket m plus n. When you open the bracket, it will be minus m minus n. Yes. Sixth term. What is that sixth term? A minus b minus 4a square plus 4b square, correct? A minus b minus 4a square minus 4b square. A minus b minus a minus b minus 4a square plus 4b square, correct? So I will do in the same way. First we do the grouping, take these two terms together, these two terms together. Then first one a minus b I will write as it is. Then from these two I will take minus, what is common? Minus 4 is common. Minus 4 is common. Minus 4 we take common, then it is a square. Since I have taken minus sign common, inside it will be minus b square. B square. So this is a minus b minus 4. Again we use a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now I will take common from first and second. So this is a minus b is common. So it will be a minus b. In place of this, 1 will be left, 1 minus 4 into a plus b is left. So that will be a minus b into 1 minus, don't write 1 minus 4 as minus 3, you cannot subtract because first you have to perform multiplication. So 4a minus 4b, this is the answer, yes. Now, 1 minus 1 minus 1029 1029 minus 3a square. Okay, 1029 minus 3a square, 1029 minus 3a square, correct? So from these two, 1029 and 3, I will take 3 common. Then what is left in place of 1029? 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 343 minus a square. Now this is not a square, this will be a cube. Yes, a cube is there, minus a cube. So this I write 3 into, now 343 is cube of which number? You can simplify. 7 4s are 28, then 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, so 7 cube. So this is 7 cube minus a cube. Now we use the formula a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? No, it is 7 cube minus a cube. So now we use the 7 cube is b. Yes, 7 cube is b. So you can write the formula x cube minus y cube. You can write down the formula x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So remember, whenever it is minus, there it is minus, but other side it is plus. Whenever it is minus, it will be minus this side, but other side, other bracket it will be plus. So this will be 3. No, x is 7 and y is 8. X is 7 and y is 8. So that will be 3 into 7 minus a into 7 square plus 7 into a plus a square. So that will be 3 into 7 minus a into 49 plus 7a plus a square. This is the answer. 3 is already we have taken common, no my dear. From 1029 and 3 I have taken. Now this bracket I have opened. No, this bracket I have simplified. A cube minus this bracket I have simplified. X cube minus y cube. 3 I have kept as it is. Yes. Now no need to multiply. No need to multiply further. No need to multiply further. Ask the doubt. What is that sum? You tell me. 1. 1 upon 1 upon 35 plus 12a upon 35 plus a square. Now to simplify this, I will take LCM as 35, correct? So this become 1 plus 12a plus 35a square. 35a square. So this I can factorize further. No. Cross multiplication means you take LCM. No, LCM 35. So multiply by 35. So 35a square plus 12a plus 1 upon 35. So now you have to factorize numerator. Yes. 1 upon 35 will be common. 1 upon 35 will be common. 1 upon 35, then inside it will be 35a square plus 12a plus 1. Now this is the quadratic equation. Find two number whose sum is 7, whose sum is 12. My dear, 1 upon 35, because here a upon b I can write 1 upon b into a upon b I can write 1 upon b into a. That is what I have done. No, plus 1 will be there. No, simply you just take this as a. Or you can take x upon y. See, x upon y I can write 1 upon y into x, or I can write x into 1 upon y. Any form I can write. So simply I have taken x upon y as 1 upon y into x. X is my numerator. So find two number whose sum is 12 and multiplication is 35 into 1, 35. 5 and 7. So find two number whose sum is 12. So numbers are 5 and 7. When you will add, you will get 12. When you will multiply, you will get 35. So 1 upon 35. This we write 35a square plus 7a plus 5a plus 1. Then this will be 1 upon 35. 7a is common. Then it is 5a plus 1 in plus bracket 5 plus 1. Now I will take 5 plus 1 common. So 1 upon 35. 5a plus 1 is common. Then what is left? Then it is 7a plus 1. 7a plus 1 is left. Because over. This is the answer. Yes, now other doubt? You go through all those 20 problems, whichever you find. Where one common I have taken? Where I have taken one common? Can you tell me? 1 upon 35, because see this x upon y. X upon y is same as 1 upon y into x. You can write. X upon y, I can write 1 upon y into x. So this is x, this is my y, which I can write 1 upon y into x. 1 upon y into x. This rule you remember, x upon. Now which sum? Tell me. Yes. Tell me which one to evaluate. 5.67 3 times. Okay. 5.67 into 5.67. Correct. That one, no. Just now somebody is asking evaluate 5.67. 5.67 into 5.67 into 5.67. Then what you have? plus 4.33 into 4.33 into 4.33 divide by 5.67 into 5.67 minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 into 4.33. No, this is the question, correct? Now simply you take A as 5.67 and B as 4.33. No, you write few steps. So this is A into A into A plus B into B into B upon A square minus AB plus B square. A into A is A cube plus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. Now we use the formula for A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. We have used the formula for A cube plus B cube. Denominator we have kept as it is, A square minus AB plus B square. Now this part of numerator get cancelled with this denominator. What is left? A plus B. The left part is A plus B. A is my 5.67 plus 4.33. Answer is 10, not 1. Answer is 10. Are you getting? 10.00. 10.00 is same as 10, remember. Now which problem doubt? Yes. You can use the bracket, no problem. You can write them in the bracket. Get it cancelled. Yes, you can use the bracket, no problem. No. See, I have not only cancelled AB, I have cancelled the entire term. I have cancelled this entire term. Are you getting? I have not cancelled only AB. I have cancelled the whole term with this term. Is it clear? Now other doubt is there? No, not next chapter. See, one more lecture is there. So now we are having 10 minutes left. You write down the question bank for further. Okay? Write down the question bank for further chapter. No. Next period I am going to give definitely. चलो ठीक है. Which one? 50 minus 2m. 50 m square minus 2m. Wait. No, it is m square. 50 m square minus 2m. What is common in them? 50 m square and 2m. 2m is common. 2m is common. Then what is left? 25. It is cube. 50 m cube minus 2m. No, it is cube है. So it will be 25 m square minus 1. So this is 2m. 25 m square I can write 5m whole square. 1 I can write 1 square. So now this is my A, this is my B. Use the formula A square minus B square. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So this will be 2m into A square minus B square. So that will be 5m plus 1 into 5m minus 1. And this is the answer. 7th chapter. What is that chapter? Ask the doubt. Chalo. 7th chapter. Ask the doubt. Yes. Yes, you can ask the doubt. 7th question. What is that? 7th chapter. No, not question bank. Just now somebody asked 7th chapter, one doubt is there. Yes. What is that question? Tell me. Yes. Cube root of 2 upon 3. हाँ ब्रैकेट x, हाँ 2/3 raised to x minus 1, no, हाँ yes, हाँ cube root of 2/3 raised to x minus 1 is equal to हाँ 27/8. Find x, correct? Yes. So now let us solve this. No, wait, no, my dear, wait. हाँ 2/3 raised to x minus 1. Now cube root means, see here, cube root means cube root of a same as a raised to 1/3. So cube root of a is same as a raised to 1/3. So this will be 2/3 raised to x minus 1. Cube root means raised to 1/3. 27/8 I can write 3/2 whole cube. 3/2 whole cube. So this will be 2/3 raised to x minus 1 into 1/3 will be x minus 1/3 is equal to, now this side we have 2, wait, this side we have 2/3 and this side we have 3/2. So you can use a by b raised to n is same as b by a raised to minus n. The power becomes negative. The power becomes negative when we take reciprocal. So this is 2/3. So this also we want 2/3. So I can write 2/3. Then power will become negative. Instead of +3, it will be -3. Now base is same. 2/3 base is same. So whenever bases are same, we compare the powers. So comparing powers, you will get x minus 1/3 is equal to -3. -3 I can write -3/1. Now cross multiply, x minus 1 is equal to -9. So x is equal to -9 plus 8 plus 1. X is equal to -8, not +8, -8. Yes. Now ask the doubt one more. From first 3 chapter, चलो चलिए हो गया. Yes. Now ask the doubt, Balo. What doubt you have? Ask the doubt. No problem. Yes. Ask the problem. 9 raised to n into 3 square, 3 raised to n is equal to 3 raised to -3. This is the problem. Yes. 3 raised to n 3 raised to m into 2. 3 raised to m into 2 whole cube, correct? M minus n is equal to 1. Okay. Now see here. This 3 raised to 9 raised to n, I can write 3 raised to 2 raised to n into 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to n minus 27, I can write 3 raised to 3 raised to n upon 3 raised to m raised to 3. Power raised to power, multiply the power. So 3m into 2 raised to 3 is 8 is equal to 3 raised to -3. So this I can write, no, that will write afterward. 2 raised to n means 2n. So 3 raised to 2n into 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to n upon minus 3 raised to 3n upon 3 raised to 3m into 8 is equal to 3 raised to -3. Repeating. So now 3 raised to 2n, 3 raised to 2n into n. What is that? 2n plus n. 3 raised to 3n, no? 3n into 9. 3 square is 9. Minus 3 raised to 3n upon 3 raised to 3m minus 8 is equal to 3 raised to -3. Now what is common in these two? 3 raised to 3n is common. Yes? 3 raised to 3n is common, no? Yes? So 3 raised to 3, 3 raised to 3 raised to 3n is common, then it is 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1, no? Then it will be 1 left upon 3 raised to 3m into 8 is equal to 3 raised to minus 3. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So 3 raised to 3n into 8 upon 3 raised to m into 8 is equal to 3 raised to minus 3. Now 3 raised to 8 get cancelled. Yes? 8 get cancelled. No, you cannot cancel 3 because they are in the power. They are in the power. 3 upon 3m. 8 will get cancelled. So 3 raised to 3m upon 3 raised to 3m is equal to 3 raised to minus 3. Now I will take this up. A upon, no, not cross multiply. A raised to n upon a raised to n, I can write a raised to n minus n. Then we take this, power will be subtracted. So 3 raised to 3n minus 3m is equal to 3 raised to minus 3. Now we compare the power. So 3n, no, if the base is not same, we cannot compare the power. So 3n minus 3m is minus 3. So you can take 3 common, then it is n minus m is equal to minus 3. Then n minus m is equal to minus 3 upon 3. N minus m is equal to minus 1. You can take 1 on this side and this on other side. So 1 is equal to m minus n. You can take m and n on other side, 1 on this side, you will get m minus 1 is equal to 1. No. You take m on the other side plus m, n minus n, and 1. So m minus n is equal to 1. Clear? No, because it is asked show this part. It is asked to prove this way, so we have to convert in that form. Yes. Now we stop here. Next period I will give you the question bank of further 4 problem chapters. Bye.